On August 15th, 1977, a strange signal from the constellation Sagittarius was received by the Big Ear radio telescope. The signal, known as the WAH signal, reached an intensity up to 30 times higher than the usual signals and had a duration of 72 seconds. Its name comes from the note written at that moment by the person who discovered it, Jerry R. Ehman, collaborator and SETI project, a project for the search for extraterrestrial intelligence founded by NASA in 1960. The WAH signal is, among all the strange signals received up to now, the one that has the greatest likelihood of having been emitted by intelligent extraterrestrial beings, despite its origin still being uncertain to this day. In a vast universe, 40 billion years old and containing 500 billion galaxies, science is convinced that there must exist, or must have existed, extraterrestrial intelligence. In this vastness, it would seem that there should be fullness of life out there. With this conviction, human beings have searched for it and still search for it incessantly. State-of-the-art radio telescopes track the sky day and night, year after year, in search of any sign of extraterrestrial intelligent life. Nevertheless, in 2009, everything changed. That year, NASA launched the Kepler satellite into space. And thanks to it, we have found thousands of Earth-like planets where conditions for life might be possible. This has meant, undoubtedly, a total revolution in the search for extraterrestrial intelligent life. Given the important advances in astrophysics, some scientists believe that there is a chance of finding extraterrestrial intelligence in the next decades. Seth Shostak, astronomer and director of SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, declared before the House Science Committee of the American Congress that in a couple of decades, we will have found evidence of its existence.
The chances of finding it, I think, are good, and if that happens, it'll happen in the next 20 years, depending on the financing.
A first contact could be close. The question is, do we really want them to find us? What will these forms of life be like? What will their aims be? Is anybody out there?
We don't know where the gods came from. In antiquity, we had connections between humans and extraterrestrials, and the humans asked some of their gods, where do you come from? They always pointed to heaven, to the sky. In some cases, they even expressed some name, some words, but they mean nothing to us. When you are in the universe, and the universe is endless and gigantic, and you would just be one intelligent society. Now you want to find out, are we alone? Are there others? Now, for example, you send an electromagnetic signal out there and ask, is somebody there? Maybe 600 light years away, there is somebody. Now your signal takes 600 years, then it took 600 years back for an answer. Means before you get an answer, 1,200 years have gone. So that kind of communications makes absolutely no sense. When you want to learn about the universe, what is the universe? How is it composed? Is it expanding? What is the spirit of the universe? Then you need intelligent societies in the whole universe. You have to spread out intelligent in short distance. Now you can get in contact with them. Now we can ask on the next solar system, which is maybe 4 light years away, how are you? Do you have contact with others in the meantime? Intelligence, to spread out intelligence, is the meaning of the so-called gods. They have come here to multiply intelligence. A part of every form of intelligence is curiosity. Without curiosity, you have no development. You are not intelligent. So our curiosity brings us to Mars. It was curiosity, the question, what's on moon? What's on the dark side of the moon? What's on the back of the moon? What is on Mars? It is always curiosity. And the curiosity is a program which was made by the extraterrestrials in our genes. Because of curiosity, we will spread out too. We will go to Mars. But Mars is only a starting point. We will go to other solar systems sooner or later, and we will find out that the universe is full of intelligent forms of life, and many of them are similar to us. There might be that there are forms of intelligence which are completely understandable to us.